Pakistan People's Party Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has invited opposition leaders, including Maryam Nawaz Sharif, to an iftar dinner in Islamabad on Sunday. Sources within the PDP said Bilawal telephoned Maryam on Friday and invited her and other Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz leaders to Sunday's iftar dinner. Maryam Aurangzeb confirmed that a PMLN delegation led by Maryam Nawaz would attend Sunday's iftar dinner to be hosted by the PDP chairman. Aurangzeb said the PMLN delegation would include opposition leader in Punjab Assembly Hamza Shebat and other senior party leaders. Bilawal also telephoned Jamiatul Ulema Islam chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman and Awami National Party head Asfandiar Wali Khan to extend an invitation to them. Among other leaders invited to the iftar dinner are Sirajul Haq, Mahmood Khan Achakzai, Akhtar Mengar, Aftab Sherpav and Shahawaz Norani. Sources further informed that the PDP chairman would try to bring leaders of opposition parties on a single page. While discussion would also be held on the economic situation of the country and a public protest campaign against the government.